Welcome to our UCAS 2025 application guide. In this short tutorial, we'll take you through the key steps of applying to UK universities. Let's get started. The first step in your journey to higher education is creating your UCAS account. This is essential for applying to universities in the UK. Head to the UCAS website and click on Sign In. This will take you to the login page where you can access your account. If you're new to UCAS, select Register and follow the instructions to set up your account. The registration process is straightforward and will guide you step by step. Use a reliable email for important updates. Make sure to check your email regularly, as UCAS will send you crucial information about your application status and deadlines. Once your account is created, start by entering your personal information carefully. This includes your name, contact details, and address. Double check for accuracy, as this information is used by universities. Next, you'll select the courses you want to apply for. You can choose up to 5 courses or universities. Make sure to research your options before deciding. List your choices here. Now comes one of the most important parts of your application, the personal statement. This is your opportunity to showcase who you are beyond grades and test scores. This is where you explain why you're passionate about your chosen subject, your academic achievements, and any relevant experiences. Highlight what makes you unique and how your background has prepared you for this field of study. Make sure your statement is clear, focused, and no longer than 4,000 characters. Be concise but thorough and ensure every word counts. Edit and revise multiple times to perfect your message. This is your chance to make a strong impression on admissions tutors. They want to see your passion, dedication, and potential. A well-crafted personal statement can set you apart from other applicants and significantly boost your chances of admission. You'll also need a reference from a teacher or counselor. It's a good idea to request this early so they have enough time to prepare. Once you've filled out everything and your reference is submitted, take a moment to review all your information. Make sure your course choices and personal details are correct before hitting Submit. You'll receive a confirmation email once your application is submitted. You can track your application's progress through the UCAS hub. And that's it. You've successfully completed your UCAS 2025 application. Congratulations on taking this important step towards your future education. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on studying abroad, navigating university applications, and making the most of your academic journey. We regularly post content to help you succeed. Best of luck with your application, and remember, the journey has just begun. Stay tuned for more insightful videos and updates.